Sometimes I have a big smile on my face when I go to sleep. The day I feel happy and contented from within. It is when I have a halo of confidence around me and a shiny glow on my face that we all love the most. How do I attain it? It's when I believe that I have given in my best. Have you ever felt the same sense of satisfaction and joy whenever you realize or feel from within that you have given the best? Do you want that feeling again and again? Then this video is just for you. How to give in your best. Welcome to the channel. You are special. Hi, I am Shachi Se, writer, entrepreneur, life coach and your best friend. Today we are talking about doing our best. It might have happened a lot of times with you too, when we made a strong attempt to succeed in something only to fail in just a margin. Perhaps I am not that skilled or destiny is just not in my favor. The doubts creep in. There could be any number of reasons why we were not successful. My biggest concern is to ensure that not giving in my best isn't one of those. We all hate failures, but the nagging feeling of I didn't do anything and everything I could have possibly done makes it worst. Let me share this beautiful story that ends with the moral: whatever we do in life, we should give in our best. An elderly carpenter was ready to retire. He told his employer, a contractor, of his plans to leave the house building business to live a more leisurely life with his family and enjoy with his extended family. He would miss the paycheck every week, but he wanted to retire. They could get by. The contractor was sorry to see his best worker go and asked if he could build just one more house as a personal favor. The carpenter said yes, but over time it was easy to see that his heart was not into the work. He resorted to shoddy workmanship and used inferior materials. It was an unfortunate way to end a dedicated career. When the carpenter finished his work, his employer came to inspect the house. Then he handed the front door key to the carpenter and said, "This is your house. My gift to you." The carpenter was shocked. What a shame! If he had only known he was building his own house, he would have done it all so differently. He would have given his best. So it is with us. We build our lives a day at a time, often putting less than our best into the building. Then with a shock we realize we have to live in the same house that we have built. If we could do it over, we could do it in a much different way. Similarly, there are times when I really could have succeeded if I only tried my best. So a self-help guide for me and you to make sure that whatever we do in life, we make sure that we give in our best. 1. Give it all. When you're doing a task, make sure you're doing it in the best possible way. It is that simple, but can we apply it all the time? Trying your best requires 100% effort. Anything below that number means we are not doing all we can. Anything less than 100% might be the reason we did not succeed. Sometimes there is only a thin line between the success and failure, which is equivalent to the difference between doing great and not doing our best. 2. Try and try till you succeed. When you give up after first attempt, it implies that you're sure all your future attempts will fail, which is not true. It is like if a person is rejected in one job interview, he concludes that it won't work out with any other placement anywhere, which is not the matter. Trying your best requires multiple attempts, not just one. Rejection is a big part of the process for success. So try and try and try till you succeed, because there is a light at the end of the tunnel. A story is incomplete without a happy ending. 3. Learn from your mistakes. When things don't work out, think about why. Learn from your mistakes and try a different approach next time. It is like learning to ride a bicycle. You might fall a few times, but each time you learn something new. After every failure, ask yourself, why did it fail? Where did the things go wrong? Collect all the information and improve your next attempt, therefore increasing your likelihood of success. 4. Ask for advice. Other people might see things you don't. They can give you insights you never thought about before and details you would normally miss. Perhaps they notice something about you or your approach that could be improved. Many times you might not even see it unless someone points it out to you. If you have access to someone who has already succeeded in something you want to do, their advice can be very helpful. It is similar to asking for directions when you're lost. It can save you a lot of time and effort. 5. Be optimistic. I'm a great preacher of positivity all the time. Pessimism is harmful. Negative thoughts only welcome negative outcomes. By remaining optimistic, you can get confidence and faith in your own self and you autonomously give in your best. 6. If you fail, do it in a dignified manner. Even if you try your absolute hardest, you still might fail. That sad truth can make any setback an emotionally devastating experience. The important thing to remember is to take that failure in a dignified manner. Don't let failures consume you. Perhaps the reason you did not succeed has to do with a factor that was outside your control. You never know. Of course, the urge to get upset will be there. But always remember, the best is yet to come. 7. Confidence, your asset. Confidence is not just a personality trait, it's an asset. No matter what you do, try to project as much confidence as you can. Even when you're scared or freaked out, to make others believe in you, you have to believe in yourself. Fake confidence if you have to. I've also posted a video on how to feel confident even when you're not. I'm sharing the card. Do have a look. Everyone faces doubt, but just don't let it interfere with your performance. Once you let doubts in, you'll start to make more mistakes and eventually failure starts to become inevitable. 8. Eliminate distractions. Identify common distractions and take steps to minimize or eliminate them. This may include turning off notifications, finding a quiet workplace, or using website blockers. Avoid distractions. Stay focused on your goals. Picture it like reading a book. If you keep getting up every now and then, you'll never be able to finish the story. Stay in your seat and keep going. 9. Stay healthy. Your physical and mental well-being plays a significant role in your ability to give your best. Get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and practice stress management techniques. 10. Be adaptable. Be open to change and willing to adapt new circumstances and challenges. Flexibility can help you navigate through unexpected obstacles. Always strive to improve and refine your skills and abilities. The pursuit of excellence is an ongoing process. 11. Stay committed. Commitment is essential to giving your best consistently. Stay dedicated to your goals and keep reminding yourself of the reasons of pursuing them. 12. Keep learning. Always be ready to learn new things. Knowledge is like a treasure that can help you in different situations. Think of it as collecting tools in a toolbox. The more tools you have, the easier it is to fix things when they break. Continuously learn and update your knowledge and skills in the chosen field. Staying informed and educated ensures you're prepared to perform your best. 13. Compete fearlessly. When you give your best, you don't worry about what others are doing. You become so focused on your best that you don't concern yourself with others. The goal is to compete with a fearless spirit, which means to trust more and fear less. Sometimes before a match or a meeting, players and teams melt down mentally before the game is even played due to the perceived talent of the other team. One must have a mindset of fearlessness in every situation, which helps them focus on something they can control versus an outcome they can only influence. So giving your best doesn't mean achieving perfection in everything. It means putting forth your maximum effort and continuously striving to improve and reach your goals. The journey towards giving your best is a personal one and it may require some time and patience to reach your desired level of performance. May you get all the success in whatever you do, and I really hope this video was helpful. If yes, be quick and hit the thumbs up icon. Subscribe me for more such videos and don't forget the bell icon for notification. Goodbye for now. God bless. Have a very great day.